Hello everyone, Coach Bujing Akot here. Gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga parents and players na sumuporta po ng ating Muntinlupa Dreamers. No, it was a great journey for all of us, especially sa aming mga coaches. Coach Henry Montemayor, Coach Kino Bautista, Coach Dons, Coach Erwin, Coach Paulo, and the rest of the coaches na tumulong at nagtiwala sa programa natin sa Muntinlupa Dreamers under the NBTC program also kasi sila po yung program partner natin. So nagpapasalamat po kami after 3 to 4 months of training. We competed and masasabi ko it was a successful journey. No, we didn't win, we didn't get the championship, but sigurado po ako naging winner po ang mga players natin and parents because of the thousands and tons of memories na nakuha natin and learnings. No, at the same time we were able to build the character of our kids and our players. So long way to go for all of us. So maraming salamat po. Continue to support PYD Muntinlupa Dreamers, and to everyone again, maraming salamat po. To our sponsors, Converge Fiber Xers, JH Athletic Sports Apparels, Chacha Go Philippines, Mang Ambo, CSS Gives PH, Lola Sitangs, PYD Cares, and maraming salamat po sa Samahan Basketball ng Pilipinas for continuously supporting us. Again, my name is Coach Bujing Akot. Maraming salamat po. Tayo pong lahat ay winners.